Right here we have US30 pulled up, and for this example I have the sniper support and resistance on. If you don't know what the sniper support and resistance is, please do check out our previous videos where we break down our sniper support and resistance. And right now it looks like it's hitting the sniper buy opportunities. Let's go ahead and put a long because it's hitting our entry buy for the support sniper entry. Cool, so now we have our entry, but where do we put our stop loss?
Where do we put our stop loss?
And we're going into drawdown right now. So where do we put our stop loss? This is how I find putting your stop loss using trusted signals the easiest and most effective. We're going to go ahead and turn on the main indicator support and resistance. So by going into the settings and going to support and resistance, you want to turn those on. So here, show support and resistance. This is an auto feature with trusted signals that I enjoy a lot and I use all the time. So right here we have our support line and another support line that's being created right now in real time right here. Let's find another support and resistance line. Oh, right here. Okay, so we have another support line here. So using these auto support and resistance line as your take profit areas, or in this case also stop loss, I'm gonna put my stop loss behind this auto support line right here, drag it down, and I won't put it exactly on the support line or the resistance line. Why? Because if it does come down here and it hits, then your stop loss is gonna get hit. But if you put it right under, the idea is for price to be caught at the support area, protecting your account and avoiding from price hitting your stop. So if you put your stop right past it, like this example here, it is past the support line, then when price reaches this area, I'm gonna draw a horizontal line right here. When price reaches this area right here, then it will be supported and you will have less chances of the trade hitting your stop loss. So the same applies for your take profit. You can use either the resistance lines on the sniper support and resistance to find your final take profit, and use your support and resistance lines from the main indicator as your partial taking areas. So I can set this as my final take profit, or even this resistance as my final take profit, and use any one of these areas as partial taking. So let's just let this run and see what happens. I literally was only going to show you examples, but this is looking like a really good setup here, and I might as well just enter on my account. So naturally what I would do is use these sniper support and resistance lines and also the support and resistance within the main indicator as partial taking areas. So right here, done. I'm taking partials right now. Literally just taking partials here and here, there. And now that I've hit my partial taking area, I'm gonna put my stop into profit. So this is the original entry, and I'm gonna just put this line here as my stop in profit area. So I'm gonna just make this one red, a little thick. And now this is my stop in profit, guys. Look at that. Look at that go. Nice. We are up 74 pips right now on US30. Woo. Let's go. This is what I'm talking about, guys. The power of trusted signals and our indicators. So here with the sniper support and resistance, it's giving you sniper entries on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute. This is an example with US30 right here to really break down how I use these tools. So I'm gonna let this run. We already have a risk-free trade. We've took in partials at 72 pips. We've put our stop in profit. And now what happens up to here is entirely up to the market. Our bag is secured and we could care less what happens from here on out.